Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got a nasty one today. I'm standing in front of a brand new 2022 G550. It's a $165,000 MSRP car. Although it's at $165,000 MSRP, this car right now, stock with nothing done to it, is going for roughly about $215,000, $220,000. As you guys have noticed watching this video, you guys have seen that this car is extremely low. And why it's this low is because it's on coilover suspension. So that's one thing that you're not gonna see too often. Brabus offers it, we offer it. So this thing's on coilover suspension, it's slammed, it's lowered about 1.6 inches front and rear. We have a bunch of Brabus upgrades to it. It has the front Brabus lower spoiler with the LEDs integrated into it. The Brabus front grille, we've removed the grille guard and wanted to have a clean look to it. The European side strips that we brought in from Germany, because these cars for the US spec comes with an orange reflector up front and a red reflector in the rear. Along with that, we added the Brabus insignia on the side. Brabus carbon fiber rear view mirror covers, Brabus door lock pins, Brabus pedals, and the car has a one-of-one set of wheels. These wheels were made by AL13. It's a dual block. When you look at the wheel, it looks like it's from the future, and that's the look that we wanted to go for. We didn't want to have that typical look of what everyone's been doing and all the G-Wagons that we've seen and you guys have seen in the industry. We wanted to come with something special and something different. It's a full face wheel, as you guys can see, but it's a two-piece. Center of the wheel is the high polish. The outer ring is done in a brushed aluminum. Along with the coilover suspension that's lowered aggressively, the 24-inch dual block wheels, we did a Brabus spare cover that's done in carbon fiber, and we left it in complete exposed carbon. We ran a carbon fiber Brabus rear bumper diffuser. We painted these, which were chrome prior to us touching it, painted color of the car. We ran the Brabus insignia color of the car. You guys have seen some snippets of it when we first ran the wheels on there, but this is the completed look of the car, and we hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We got a lot more coming. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. That helps us produce more for you guys. Much love as always. See you guys soon.